Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the SteamTools No Internet Connection error. First, open your Steam installation folder. Inside the folder, find and delete the app cache folder and the package folder. These folders store temporary files and cached network data that can sometimes become corrupted and stop Steam from connecting properly. Be careful not to delete the Steam Apps folder because it contains your installed games. Also, do not delete the user data folder. Next, make sure Steam is fully closed. Check the system tray in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Right-click the Steam icon if it is still running, and choose Exit. Now open the Start menu, search for PowerShell, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell window, paste the following command: irm steam.run vertical bar IEX, then press Enter. Wait a few seconds while the tool runs automatically. It will apply the required Steam patch and download any network components needed to restore the connection. Once the process is finished, the PowerShell window should close by itself. Finally, restart your computer. After Windows starts again, launch Steam and check if the No Internet Connection error is gone. Thanks for watching.